Hi guys, today I won't talk about the differences between the tires. Winter tires, summer tires and all season or four season tires. Some of us thinking why we need to change the tires. Well, the car rolling on the all rides the same way, so why I should bother to change from the winter to summer? Or may I should buy the four season or sometimes called all season tires? Let's watch and I will explain you what's the difference between. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's dive into the rubber reality of tire swapping. Yes, we're talking about the switching between the winter and the summer tires. Maybe you are wondering, why does my car even need two different tires? Aren't they just round and rubbery? Yes, you're not alone. But if you were ever felt your car slide on an unexpected path of ice or hydroplane in the rainstorm, you know there is a reason. Let's imagine winter tires are your trusty snowy boots. They are the chunky, thick, and underlaying shoes that they dig into the snow. Winter tires are especially crafted for snow and ice and freezing temperature. They have a softer rubber that stays grippy even when temperature drops below the freezing, allowing your car to stay glued to the road when you're navigating the winter wonderland. And let's be honest, you wouldn't wear the snow boots in July, would you? Just picture that. Tramping around in blazing summer heat, your snow boots are turning into the portable saunas, making you regret all your life choices. The same things happens to winter tires when you try to drive them in the summer. They get way too hot, wear down faster, and frankly, they are just not built for it. Now let's talk about the summer tires. Picture them as the flip-flops of the automotive world. Only they actually help you stick to the pavement rather than slipping off your foot at inconvenient times. Summer tires are designed for higher temperatures, dry conditions, and occasionally rain. They have tougher rubber compounds so they can handle the heat on the road without melting away. And much like a flip-flop, summer tires aren't meant for the deep snow. Imagine yourself wading through the knee-deep snow in flip-flops. Your toes would freeze, your balance would be precious, and you start seriously rethinking your choice of the footwear. Similarly, summer tires on ice will slide you right into the snowbank faster than you can say fishtail. Some of you say or think, hey, I will use the four season tires, all season tires. And it's any good? Let's explain. This four season tires is like a middle child of the tire family. The four season tire, also known as an all season tire. Think of this as the cargo shorts of the tire world. They are versatile, can carry a lot of things, and can handle a little bit of snow and little bit of heat. But let's be clear, they are not doing anyone any favors when it's extremely outside. Sure, four season tires are decent. They are good enough for you live somewhere with mild winters, where winter is more a state of mind than the season ordeal. Those cargo short tires are just going to have your car shivering and sliding along in terror. 4-season tires don't have the deep treads or cold resistant rubber, or true winter tires, nor do they have a heat handling magic of summer tires. And yes, swapping tires twice a year can feel like your car vintage project. But here's the truth. It's less about looking good and more about staying out of ditches, potholes, and walls. Switching tires with the season extend the life of each set because you are using them for the condition they're actually made for. Think of like this: you wouldn't run marathon in Seattle Hills. Sure, it'd be memorable, but also dangerously ineffective. Winter tires in summer wear out faster because the hot pavement just eats them alive. Likewise, summer tires in winter may as well be sleeping on banana peels for all the traction they will get on snow. And don't get started on the savings. You think it would cost more to have 2 sets of tires, but it's actually a genius money-saving tactic. By using the right tires in the right season, you're prolonging the life of both sets, saving fuel, and big bonus, avoiding costly accidents due to slipping and sliding. And believe me or not, I'm talking about the different tires with the many drivers, and lots of them make a beautiful and nice interesting story. The one, this age-old line: I'm an expert driver, I don't need the winter tires. That's like a guy insisting he doesn't need a sun cream because he never burns. Spoiler alert, he is a lobster red by evening. Summer tires in winter condition will slip, slide, and hydroplane like it's their full-time job. It's not about the skill, it's about the physics. Another common myth: 4-season tires are fine for year-round. Well, they're just fine if your definition of fine is just okay. Kind of like wearing jeans and a t-shirt to the wedding. But if you really want your car to be prepared for winter, just switch to the winter tires. Those all-season, 4-season labels don't quite mean all season. You wouldn't wear a raincoat in the snowstorm just because it's weather resistant, right? I hope I explained differences between the winter, summer, and all-season or 4-season tires. So thank you for watching, and drive safe, no matter what condition outside. See you next time.